Drippin' sauce, drippin' sauce, drippin' sauce, Saturday, Saturday, drippin', drip.
Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make spicy peanut butter sauce. First you're going to need is peanut butter. Next you're going to need a spicy sauce. Right here I have Tabasco with green pepper sauce. And then I'm first going to add the spicy sauce to the bowl. As much spicy as you'd like. I like that much spicy. And then I'm going to add some peanut butter to the bowl. I'll take my butter knife or my butter spoon, and I'm just going to dig. And there's a little bit of jelly in there, so it's going to be peanut butter, spicy, and jelly sauce. And then I'm just going to take it and mix-arrate it around a little bit until it gets to an even consistency. Let me zoom in a little bit. Maybe I'll add a little bit more spicy. Alright, add a little bit more spicy to it. And then try to get that even consistency. Like that. And look at it. Doesn't it look good? You probably smell it through the screen a little bit. That's how you make spicy
Saturday, sauce, Saturday, sauce, Saturday, sauce.